Hello everyone, my name is Mary and welcome to my cozy cottage home. Today I'm giving you guys a video of a little trip that my husband and I took. We went to South Padre Island. It was a beautiful day. We had a good time. We went walking at the island and I started picking up a little bit of seashells, and I'll show you guys some pictures of that. And just when we were about to leave, we really don't get in too much in the water. We just kind of get our legs and feet wet and just walk. It's beautiful. It was a little bit of busy. It was on a Saturday, and so there was quite a few people. And when we're about to leave, I hear like a lot of commotion going on. I'm like, what's going on? So I turn around and I see a lot of people with pink and blue balloons, and I'm like, oh, what's going on? And I'm like, oh, this is fun. And so I look up because they're looking at a certain direction. So I look to that direction, and then I see a helicopter coming. I'm like, oh, they're waiting for this helicopter. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe it's a banner behind the helicopter, or, just a sign, right? So I'm recording it, and then all of a sudden, it starts circling around us. And I'm from a distance, and people are over there by the sand looking at the helicopter, and I'm looking at the helicopter, and then it just goes over us, goes over my husband and I. So I'm trying to record it, and I'm like, oh my God, it's going over us. And it goes three times around us, and then on the third time, it just throws blue. Well, you'll see it. I recorded it. So it was a gender reveal for a little baby boy. So that was beautiful. I thought that was exciting. I'm like, oh my God, I got to show this to my daughter-in-law and my son, because I know they plan to have another baby, but, maybe in a year or 2 years. I don't know, I don't rush them. It's what they decide. But that was so cool, so fun, and I got to show that to my daughter-in-law and my son. And then after that, we went to a restaurant called Laguna Bob, and that one plays live music. I did a little bit of recording. I really couldn't do that much because I didn't want to record people, give them their space. But my husband and I, we shared a can't think of the name. We shared, the one that has like the fish, the tomato, the onion. I bet you guys are telling me what it is. I'm sorry, I can't think of what it's called right now. But it was great. It had some crackers, and then I had a drink, and then we had 2 beers, and that was it. The food that we had was $22. The drink I had was, I believe, $12 or $15. The beers, I think my husband told me, was 2 for $9. So, reasonable price. And after that, we went to Candy Crush. And all I did fill my bag was with a bunch of chocolates. Almond chocolate, peanuts with chocolate. And then my husband, all he did was got 2 bags full of a bunch of different candy. All that candy, all together, we spent I think he said $31. So, okay, we don't do that often, but we do share that candy with our kids when they come over. From there, I think we just drove around, and then, yeah, I think that was it. Pretty much, that's all we went and did. It was just, a great time to go and just, go on about and drive, and just to get out of the house for a while. So that was fun. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Y'all take care, and I do plan to do another video real soon. It's gonna be for Halloween, certain stuff I've been buying. So that's gonna come up soon. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all take care, and if y'all like, please subscribe and give me a little thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. My little channel is growing, so I'm happy and excited, and I will continue doing more videos, of course. And so I'll see you guys in the next one. Y'all take care. Bye.
Welcome everybody to Laguna Bob on this awesome